Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks. My name is Jeannie, and today is a super exciting day. I did finally get the Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Box in the Deluxe version. So this is the $100 box. I did also purchase the Premium Blue $60 box, and if you would like to see that unboxing, I will link the video in the description box below if you would like to check that out. But I have been waiting for this bad boy, and it finally did arrive. Now, let me just take a quick second to say, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you're already here watching the video. If you would hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. I do lots of unboxings, tutorials, I take requests, and I do monthly giveaways on my channel. It is huge lots of high-end makeup and skincare products. If you're wondering what they look like, you could always check out my June giveaway video where it showcased all of the items that were given to one of my subscribers who won that giveaway. And my next giveaway is coming up tomorrow. So this is a perfect time to join my YouTube family, and I will also be doing a totally separate giveaway from the Jeffree Star items in the two boxes that I purchased, and that is to honor 200 subscribers. I did pass that threshold a couple days back, and I am super excited, and I want to thank each and every one of you that has been over here supporting my channel, and to all of the new subscribers to come, thank you as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the box. This was $100. It is the Deluxe box. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. I did get a Jeffree Star makeup bag. I have not taken it out because this is going to go into my Jeffree Star giveaway, my 200 subscriber giveaway, but we will just take a quick peek at it. It's super cute. It's black, shiny. It does have a little piggy on it. It's super cute, you guys. Oh my god, I didn't even notice that. Look at the little zipper. It's a little piggy. You guys, this is so cute. I almost kind of do want to keep it, but I am going to put it into the giveaway. So it's all stuffed. I'm not going to mess with it any further because I am going to be putting it into a giveaway, and I want to keep it nice for whoever is going to receive this along with some other Jeffree Star items. Okay, so the next items in the box are going to be the 3 single shadows. One of them is in O Positive. I have another one here in Licorice, and the third one is in Intravenous. Now, I do want to take these out and have a look. Oh, I was thinking there was plastic on them. There's not. Okay, Jeannie, get it together. Okay, so this is Intravenous. It looks to be a dark red or berry colored, kind of like berry brownish matte color. I am going to go ahead and add it into my Z pack with the 3 shades that I got in the premium. And let's take a look here. I was really hoping to get that lemon drop color. That looked really pretty, and lemon drop martinis with a sugared rim is my absolute favorite drink. So I wanted that color, but that's okay. I could always go on and order it if I wanted to. I definitely plan on grabbing the Jawbreaker bundle where you get the mini and the regular size Jawbreaker palette. So this is a matte as well. It's kind of a really pretty, this is like a perfect transition color for me. So I'm happy to have that. Add her right in there. And then the third one is the Licorice. Is this a matte too? Did I get all mattes? I love my shimmers. I mean, mattes are cool, but yeah, this is another matte. Okay, so this is a deep red matte. Well, so I got 3 mattes. I could definitely use the first one for deepening the outer corner and stuff like that and looks. I could use the second one for a transition shade, and I don't know how much I would honestly use a red matte, but I do have a huge collection of eyeshadow, so it's kind of more just maybe like a collection thing. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to buy 3 shadows from his website that I would definitely use more to add to this Z palette. Okay, so that's that. The next item in the box is one of his glosses. It says the gloss. This is in Tabletop. I was, man, I know you get what you get and you don't throw a fit with a mystery box. I'm not throwing a fit, but I was really hoping to get one of those really pretty pink colors that he has. I'm not so much into browns. I really like super glossy pink looks, but I did get the green gloss and the other one, the slime, and it was very lightly colored, so I can still use the gloss on top, and I probably can do the same with this, but I was really hoping for one of those icy pink colors that had like either, I really wanted the champagne color with like the little gold reflex, or even the baby pink with the blue reflex is really what I was hoping for, but that is okay. You get what you get. So I'll definitely use it. I love glosses. I'm super into glossy lips, so either way, it's not a huge amount of color in it, and I will still get use out of it as just a gloss. So okay, the next is a velour liquid lip, and this is in the shade Calabius. What? This is, I mean, is that what it says? I think. You guys, I need reader glasses, so sometimes trying to read these little prints is not the easiest for me. But I will be honest with you, I am not real. Oh, it's pink. Oh, I did get a pink one. This is a little bit darker pink than I like. I like really light pink, but I can make this work. And I was going to say I'm not really into matte lippies, but I can always add a gloss to it. Okay, so it's definitely darker than I thought it was going to be. Let's put a little bit on. Ooh. Wow. It's pretty, for sure, but I just don't normally do dark lips like this. Sometimes I'll do like a really pretty ombre lip with dark and then light pink, so I could definitely use this for that. Whoa. It's definitely darker than my typical lip look. That's okay. That's okay. Whoa, it like stains a little bit too. Holy smokes. Whoa. Let me get a little wet wipe here. Because I want to do swatches on the palette for you guys. Okay. Now, the next thing in here is the exclusive lip balm, and this is in Bloodstain. I knew it was going to be because that's what pretty much everybody has been getting in this box. The other one, I got the Cowboy Kiss, which is like a super dark brown, but then it only really gave like a little wash of color, so I'll get some use out of it, but the packaging is super cute. It's a pink bullet. I love that. And then it looks super dark, but from what I have seen is that you can make it so you get just a wash of color. If you continue to swatch like this, you definitely can get it darker, but I will definitely probably just use it very little amount of it because I am definitely, like I said, dark lips are just not really my thing. But that's okay. Okay, so the next item in the box is going into the giveaway. This is the Velour Lip Scrub in Pink Grapefruit. I got the sherbet in the other box. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway. It's going to go with the makeup bag, and it is going to go with this right here. So this, whoops, and it would not be a video of mine if I didn't drop something. That is your girl for you. So this is the Star Ranch palette. I'm not going to take this one out. What I am going to do is grab mine and swatch it for you, because this is going into the Jeffree Star giveaway. But this is the Star Ranch palette. She has a mirror with cute guns on the top. She looks like this. I did already create a look. Now, this is not the typical color story for me for a palette, but I did create a look, and if you would like to see what I created with the palette, I will link that video in the description box below. But I will do some swatches here for you. Let's check out Owl Eyes. That is this really pretty golden color. That is Owl Eyes. It swatches gorgeously. Let's do Casper Mountain. That is this icy silvery blue over here. Okay, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's swatch Star Creek, this pretty green color. It is like an icy green. Super gorgeous swatches. And although the palette, I'm just not a blue eyeshadow chick, so however, after making a look with it and working with it, you really can make some cute looks. You could keep it totally neutral with a transition shade, a deepening shade for like the outer V, and then a super really pretty golden lid. Or you could do the transition, the darker outer edge, and then a really pretty green lid. Or the transition, the darker outer edge. Why can't I say that? And then a really pretty icy blue. Or if you like blue eyeshadows, you could definitely do all kinds of stuff with this and the blues in the palette. So anyhow, these are the swatches that I did. And I do think that it's a cute palette. Definitely not my typical color story palette, but I made a cute look with it, and it was definitely outside of my comfort zone, but we made it happen. So anyhow, this, along with the velour lip scrub, along with the makeup bag, is all part of the Jeffree Star giveaway. I also am going to add a surprise item into the giveaway that is not Jeffree Star, and it will be a surprise, so I'm not going to say what it is, but it's something very nice. And there is one last item in the box here, and it is another Z palette. I think I might add this into the giveaway as well, because I already have one and I really can't see myself ordering a ton more of his single shadows, because I am going to be ordering some of his palettes. So I think I'm going to go ahead and add this into the giveaway as well. It is super cute. It is pink. It's got the Jeffree Star logo. It is obviously magnetized inside, so you can add in your own eyeshadows and kind of create a 9-pan palette for yourself. So there's going to be this. There's going to be the Star Ranch palette. There is going to be the velour lip scrub in pink grapefruit, and there is going to be the super cute makeup bag with the little pig and all of that. So all of those things are going to be into the giveaway, and if you want to know how you can enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and let me know down below in the comments your favorite Jeffree Star item. It does not have to be something in the box. I want to know what is your favorite, all-time favorite thing from Jeffree Star. And then that's it. You're entered into the giveaway, and it will go on for 1 week. And 1 week from today, I will jump on and let you all know who won the Jeffree Star giveaway, and at that point you'll just need to contact me and give me your shipping information and I will get your goodies out. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I will see you soon.